The DoorDash Dasher app requires camera access for crucial functions like verifying deliveries with photos, scanning QR codes, and using AR navigation. If the camera isn't enabled, you'll face issues uploading proof of delivery, especially for alcohol or high-value orders. On iOS 7 Plus, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and ensure DoorDash is toggled on. On Android 13 Plus, navigate to Settings, Apps, DoorDash Permissions, and grant camera access. The app typically requests permission upon first use or when a camera-dependent feature is activated. Make sure to grant permission when prompted. Doing so combats fraud, ensures accurate drop-offs, and reduces delivery disputes. Note that denying permissions can lead to app errors and failed deliveries, especially in high-volume areas. If you're experiencing camera denials, try these troubleshooting steps. First, restart the Dasher app. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. If problems persist, reset the app's permissions in your device settings. Ensure your operating system is up to date, as older versions can cause compatibility issues. For iOS, toggling Allow Apps to Request to Track off and on in settings can sometimes resolve the issue. DoorDash's support portal also provides step-by-step guides. Remember that DoorDash uses AI to analyze photos, and images are deleted after verification to protect your data. Consistent camera access improves your efficiency and reliability as a Dasher. Enable and maintain access for optimal performance and reduced customer complaints.